Hello, I'm Zachary from the RoboBenders, and today I'm going to be talking about our invention of the treads. The way this works is that there's two treads, one in the front, one in the back, and together they help the robot go over obstacles. Our first idea had only one set of treads in the back and unpowered wheels in the front, and this didn't work very well because the unpowered wheels did not provide enough power. So the next idea that we had one set of treads in the back, one set of treads in the front, but instead of having them overlapping, there was gears connecting them and there was a little gap. The treads often fell into that gap. So the next idea was that we made these treads overlapping so that the robot would not get stuck in this gap. This worked very well, but the robot still had some problems getting over obstacles. So we added a slight incline in the front, which allows the robot to go over obstacles better. Now let's connect the treads to a robot. This is an example of the treads in action.